What is going on, guys? Happy New Year. Apple has dropped, as anticipated, watchOS 11.3, Beta 2, and if you follow the channel, you knew Beta 1, and then going back to watchOS 11.2 and 11.1, nothing is new here. This is hopefully just some more stability improvements and battery life gains, as we have seen very intermittent issues with battery life on our Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's kind of interesting why or what the rationale is for it, but hopefully the logic has improved and we see some major battery gains from Apple Watches with this build. Having said that, let's jump into it, take a look at the build number here, and see if there might be anything of a surprise for new features customer facing. Let's go. So watchOS 11.3 Beta 2 just finished installing on our iPhone, and it came in at 280 megabytes, which is par for the course for watchOS updates, and it is down from the 384 megabytes that we had in Beta 1. I will say, and if you follow our channel, you probably saw the other video, battery life is one of our weirdest callouts on Beta 1 of watchOS 11.3, as some days it has been phenomenally great, and then other days by noon it would be at about 65%, specifically around our Apple Watch Ultra, and that is very rare for a watch like this to have that issue. It is intermittent. I don't know what was causing it, so hopefully though we have an improvement here with Beta 2. And jumping around, I can tell you, unfortunately, this will be another quick video. There is nothing new we're really seeing in this build, but I will tell you that everything has been smooth, and even the animations have looked a little better to me. Could be just a placebo effect, but I have not seen any issue in the short time I've been kind of jumping around and scrolling in here. So that was very good to see at that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the build number now, and I'm going to go ahead and do it right in the iPhone because it's always easier for you guys to see this way. So general, settings, and about, and you can see right here, this has an e-build number, which is definitely an improvement from the Beta 1, but the full build is 22S5540E. If you're new to Apple betas, like we always tell you, the closer you are with that last letter in the alphabet to the beginning of the alphabet, the closer we are to a full release. So it is heading in the right direction, but we are not there quite yet. Having said that, though, now that we're back from the holiday break, now is a perfect time to jump in and talk about when we could be anticipating this to go public. As we're back from the holiday break, like I said, now we have now probably hit those weekly updates. And if we get an update next week on the 13th or on the following week on the 20th, this could be the second to last beta we'll get. There could only be one more beta coming if this does truly release at the end of January around the 27th. And if not, then it should be released around February 3rd. As we've talked about to probably no extent at this point, watchOS 11 and iOS 18 are specifically built around Apple Intelligence features, and unfortunately, for watchOS users, we're just not getting those with these updates. We don't even have the new Siri icon. We don't have any of that going on here. No new interface with that. So these builds have been very stagnant and been more bug fixes and tweaks. We don't even have new watch faces or anything like that, unfortunately, in these builds. So they're a little bit disappointing, and why these videos have been so quick for these past beta cycles. It's very unfortunate to see that that's kind of what Apple's gone to, and it's kind of pushed watchOS to the side for now. But again, at least it does work very well in its current state. It is just kind of to the point where it is boring. One thing I do want to show you is I want to go into battery here and show you our battery health being on these betas for so long. And you can see we have dropped to 97%, but nothing crazy considering how long we've been using the watch for. That is perfectly respectable to have. And then also jumping back into Siri, again, there is no Apple Intelligence. It's purely still just Siri. Again, not a surprise. Apple did tell us themselves that they will not be adding Apple Intelligence features directly into watchOS currently. All you'll be receiving are those notification summaries and all that on your watch because it's being pushed, obviously, from the iPhone. There's a whole to do about that. We have a video coming in regards to that. That should be getting fixed as well, which will make watchOS a little better in the future with another update also. But that's it for this one, guys. Short and sweet. Sorry there's not more to it. Let us know what you think. Comment down below. What would you like to see in the next update for watchOS? We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.